Hi, Mr. Alatorre. My name is Ryan Michalec, and this is the demonstration speech for oral communications at Arkansas State University at Beebe. Good afternoon. My name is Ryan Michalec, and I'm going to be teaching you and demonstrating to you how to perform a deadweight check on the DA200 Parker probe. Basically, what we're going to go over today is a little bit of how this device works, the reference material we're going to use to perform this inspection, the materials that we're going to use to perform the inspection, and then finally an actual demonstration of how it works. To go over a little bit of how this device works, when you put electricity through a wire, it creates what's called a circular magnetic field in and around that wire. Now, you take that same wire and you coil it. While the circular magnetic fields are still there, they're going to concentrate themselves in the axis of that coil, therefore creating what is called a longitudinal magnetic field. It is this longitudinal magnetic field that makes this device possible to work for doing non-destructive inspection in both the military and the civilian world. The DA200 Parker probe or magnetic yoke has the metal ceramic legs that come down the sides of it. This longitudinal magnetic field will come out of the coil inside of this machine, run down the magnetic legs, and it will create a longitudinal magnetic field in between there. But before we can actually use this piece of machinery, we're going to have to do what is called a process control, or basic functionality test. And our reference material to find that out is the U.S. Air Force Technical Manual 33B-1-2. It's going to be in Work Package 10300, page 7, paragraph 4.9. Now, this material states that we have to do a deadweight check. Basically what that's telling us is that our alternating current magnetic field is strong enough to pick up 10 pounds of weight. The two items we're going to be using to perform this inspection are the DA200 Parker probe, as well as a 10-pound manufactured weight. The steps are simple. You're going to take your DA200 Parker probe, you're going to use these metal ceramic legs, and you're going to form them to where they are 2 to 4 inches apart from each other. Then you're going to place your DA200 Parker probe on top of your 10-pound weight. You're going to change your selector knob to alternating current. You're going to depress the trigger and hold it. This is going to activate the magnetic field, so therefore I should be able to pick this weight up with no problem. As you depress the trigger, you can hear the alternating currents running through the leg, and as I pick it up and place it back down, that is called the deadweight check on the Parker probe. Now what we've gone over today, number one, we went over a little bit about how this machine works. We talked about the reference materials we use for this machine. We talked about the equipment that we're going to be used to performing this process control deadweight check. And then finally you saw the demonstration of how it works. If there are no questions, thank you for attending.